Looking for the best ceiling fan remote controls? In this video we look at some of the top 3 ceiling fan remote controls on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Pecham F2 Universal Ceiling Fan Lamp Remote Controller Kit. Pros: basic setup for simple control over the ceiling fan. Provides large buttons for common speed settings and an on-off light control. Cons: lack of advanced control features makes the remote more limited in use. Bottom line: a good option for any ceiling fan requiring a control replacement or that lacks one in the first place. At number 2. Fnado F2U Universal Ceiling Fan Lamp Remote Controller Kit. Pros: buttons are easy to press. Comes with holster that can be easily mounted to the wall. Can operate at distances of up to 100 feet. Cons: uses uncommon 23 amp 12 volt batteries. Bottom line: with fast and easy installation, you can easily convert a regular ceiling fan into a remote control one. At number 1. Flow Angel Universal Thermostatic Ceiling Fan and Light Remote Control Conversion Kit. Pros: conveniently arranged buttons that are easy to reach with the thumb. We love how setting up the connectivity is quick and simple with the appropriate fan. Cons: limited use since compatibility is only with Hampton Bay and Harbour Breeze fans. Bottom line: this versatile remote control offers many features, including several modes for your ceiling fan and light. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.